filled up. Man, getting striker easy, gotta do is fill it up. Lil' baby know I'm gang only, that's why she tryna let me fuck. I gotta keep that stick on me, can't go up by no tug. All my niggas that they would, I gotta do is say it's up. We done slid down they blocks so many times they put up. You better put that whip in sport before we turn into some crap. You know her brother tripping out the window with that big ass yacht. I need a mirror, he a pig, chase you down, screaming yacht. You can watch our old business when we shot on niggas block. I ain't going back and forth and nigga, I swear them niggas watch. I go and send that bitch, we get that low, you rushing in that flight. Then I go and send my Bessie, pop her in her top. The boys trying to hit the chop, I tell her brother switch the spot.
Yeah, Trey, that's my brother, yeah, I'm slime with him. Yeah, see you with them niggas, you don't know what, yeah, you down with him. I'm smushin' when can't do that running shit, I told her twine to get him. Bro, that's a big ass target, it's not hard to hit.
Poppin' out with ARP, I swear to God, it ain't gonna be hard to miss. Long enough for business, sending niggas to the hospital. Oh yeah, that's your man, sorry, bitch, you can die with. Gio to my brothers, you know I'm slime, wrong or right. I ain't gonna say too much of 29 to 50 on that pipe. I'm a reaper, get up close and snatch his soul through the night. A nigga run up on this bitch, I swear to God, he gon' be done. Put a million hoes up in his body, believe it's that shotgun. I told Dan to pass the cup, you know I'm tryna fill it up. Don't gotta load them extra clips, you already know they filled up. Man, getting the striker easy, gotta do is fill it up. Lil' baby know I'm gang on this, so she tryna let me fuck. Gotta keep that stick on me, I can't go out by no tip.
I ain't going.